We have windows. It actually happened. I can't believe it. Look at that. So this is gonna tip out from the bottom. It's got a seam right here and it's gonna pop out. Just got a little hand crank here. So they can be opened in the rain, which is great. This is our bed frame, and then the mattress will be 6 inches up.
So yeah.
And then the window here. So this will be a nice breeze right by our head.
What I like about the long, well, obviously if it's a little rainy out, you can have it cracked. But on our slider window, which is actually, I mean, I think in our current van, I think that window is actually closer to our heads than this one is.
I think you're right.
But it only cracks from one side. Here you've got this whole area. So
both of us will have a lot of
When the fan's on, it's going to be coming out there pretty good.
I see you.
Can you see me with this shut?
Yeah, I can, because there's lights inside. There is a giant light in there. They are very tinted though, I like that.
All right, cool.
Moving right along. Yeah, so these windows did kind of help us rethink our fan air conditioner situation. So originally we were going to be putting a fan here, air conditioner here, and then another fan in the back so we could have 2 fans on with the airflow circulating. But because this window is opening now, we can turn this fan on up here and just have the airflow going that way. So we've decided to put the AC in the back and then put the Max Air fan right here.
Yeah, so I like the Max Air fan here better I mean, the bathroom is right here.
Yeah.
So the bathroom top is open, so you're gonna be you can use this fan for that, and your induction is right here, as opposed to you cooking here and your fan way over here.
Yeah, true.
And the air conditioner won't fit here. It'll only fit here.
Yeah.
We're back in here.
So we're putting it back in there.
We're gonna tuck it in up there.
For as often as we use it, which is so rarely.
Yeah, and it's not really gonna be in our way, but the guy who put these windows in, I mean, these 2 supports used to be here and here. And so he's been doing this for how many years?
Oh, since like late 70s.
Yeah,
like it's family owned business.
So he removes these, and mainly these are for the, I think, the
like vibration of the
so these big
flexibility
panels,
of the metal panels.
Yeah. Anyway, so mainly these are, I mean, they're not a huge support, but they do support that panel.
Yeah.
So he removes them, and they're just kind of tacked on there, and then he puts them on each side of the window to keep that support. So
yeah, really fantastic job.
Same thing up here. This one, he makes his own supports.
Oh yeah, look at that. George has been busy in here. He's got everything marked out on the floor, where the water tank goes, where the drain is, where all the framework is going to be. Water lines are going to be going from the tank all the way over. We've got the fridge box, got the shower pan marked out. So what we're going to be working on next is going to be the floor up here. So all these marks are very important. set it and forget it. Hi, girl. You helping with the floor? So the next step of the floor, we just have to let this cure for a couple days, and then we're going to be laying the plywood down. Pistol's quite chatty. It's weird. The past few times when we turn this camera on, she starts talking.
Hey, what about me?
Yeah. So once the plywood's on, we can start moving stuff in and out of here. As you saw, George got the galley bones done.
The van was gone for several days, getting the windows professionally installed. Really happy with them.
Yeah.
So while the van was gone, George put together the refrigerator bones, which is going to be 80/20 that goes in that area there.
Yep.
For our 9.1 cubic foot refrigerator. And you can see where our hot water tank is going to sit on that bridge back there.
Yeah, it'll be on the baby bridge.
And that's those water lines are one continuous line that runs across.
Yeah. Here, and then you saw us lay it here, and then they go up over here.
The next step is up to the shower. So
this is our shower pan that we still have to make a drain over in this corner. That will go into a gray tank down there. And then over on this side, we have our kitchen sink is going to be here, and we have to drill a drain down into a gray tank over here. So lots of things to do. This box right here is our swivel seat for the passenger seat. So it's just endless projects.
Moving along.
Moving along. I'm excited. I see progress. This is awesome.
Once this is in and we start securing in the structures, then it's going to be pretty cool. We'll start wiring.
Yeah, I think wiring is coming up. So a lot of decisions to make about switches and where you want USB ports.
And when we lay the plywood down, we got to leave it alone again for a day or two. So I just happened to be looking at the Harvest Host website, and I think it must be a new Harvest Host member not too far from here. It's a farm. I was thinking maybe while the van's gone, instead of hanging out here, see some different place.
Yeah,
Go check out a farm.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
We're going to go check out a farm.
All right, stay tuned.
Carry on.
Carry on.